and girls. Today we're actually going to be working on pointillism, and what pointillism is you're going to basically create a drawing or a painting with just dots. And if you take a look at this, I already actually have a little bit of a preview. I started to paint in some dots in my parrot. So this is what we're going to be doing for the remainder of it. So what I want you to do first is I want you to make sure that you draw out your parrot just like I did, so you know exactly where you're painting. And once you have done that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to color in the whole picture by doing dots. So where I would start first is I'm going to actually start doing some of the outlines first, like the beak, and then there's some different colors here on his feather, maybe some black to highlight the wing right here, and the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with those first because most of this picture is most of the parrot is gonna be red, so we could go ahead and leave that red for the last of it. And then we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of blue on the top to create a little bit of a background. So let's go ahead and see what you guys come up to have. So here are some of the supplies that we're actually gonna be needing. We're gonna need the color black, we're gonna need the color green, we're also gonna need red, we're gonna need blue, and we're gonna need brown. So here are some of the colors that we're gonna use. And if you take a look at the next picture, you'll see, if you don't have the tool that I have, that there's many ways to create this tool. So go ahead and take a look at this dotting tool sheet and see if you have any of those applies. If you do, go ahead and grab one of those and we can start getting to work. So let's go ahead and see that creative side of yours. boys and girls, we have finished our painting. It is awesome. You got a colorful parrot, and we did it all by just doing that. So I hope you guys have fun with this and tune in for the next one.